Alright, we're back here with the Prius again. So this is one of the things that often goes wrong with the Prius, and we replaced the radio so we know for certain that radio is working correctly. And the issue is that when I try to select aux here, and as you can see I do have it hooked up here, it doesn't seem to want to turn on. So I press aux and it says CD because it's actually the same button. Common problem with these things is that the aux plug down here is no good. So I bought a new one. It's a common issue. I'm going to try to replace it. It's giving me more trouble than it's worth. Alright, now let's try it out. Oh! Alright, well there you go. Got the aux cord working.